Did I just see you close your eye? I just saw you open your eye. Son of a bitch. Pretending to be dead at a time like this?
Oh my God.
No, it's not funny, and I wasn't crying, okay? There's a lot of debris around here.
Wait, is this like a thing between you guys?
This is not a thing between us, it's a thing with him because he has a twisted sense of humor. We're friends, right? Yes, we're friends. No, come on, dude. Have some class, okay? I don't know what's gotten into him. Kate, I'm so sorry. George, stop.
All right, guys. Let's go home, okay?